Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, your 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. It is a fact that if we want people to know what our skills are, what we have to offer, what we're like to do business with, then we have to have more contact with people. And part of letting people know what our skills and our knowledge are so that they can decide if they should take the next step in pursuing a relationship, a business relationship with us, is to produce content that is active 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that when they're ready to consume some of our content, it's there for them. We can't get away from that fact. So whether that is writing articles or blog posts, creating podcasts like this one, creating a video, whatever it might be, reaching someone in any other way that you can think of, we need to do that so that people are constantly reminded what we are like and what we know and how we might be able to help them. So I want to make it easier for you. I always say, and you may have heard me say this before, that one of my jobs is to make the complex simple. So I want you to create content that has to do with your practice area and what your clients care about, what is important to your clients. Always think about the content that you create from their perspective. And this might even be that it's just a post that goes up on LinkedIn. It doesn't have to be anything as sophisticated as a podcast or a video or a blog post, really. But it can be. It can be any of those things. So what I want you to do is to use what's already in your head. Use what you've already created. If you have given a webinar or a presentation, or you've written a blog post, or you have been recorded in some way, shape, or form, then I want you to revisit that content and say, what could I pick out of there that might be interesting in shorter form? Obviously, when you have a webinar that's somewhere between 30 and 60 minutes or shorter, just depends on what you've been doing, then you have to take smaller parts of that. But I also want you to know that if you don't have anything already recorded, open up a Word doc, and in Word, you'll see that there is a voice typing icon that you can it'll start typing when you talk. You can also, if you're a Google Docs person, open up a Google Doc in Google Drive and go over to Tools, click on Voice Typing, and just start talking about what it is you know. It's as if you're asking yourself a question and let it transcribe you. Of course, you're going to have to clean that up a little bit. It's using AI to do all of that, and it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay, because you will find that you are going to be able to create a lot of content in a very short period of time. Let me know if you have questions or you need to know how to actually make that happen. I'm here for you. My name's, again, Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media, and I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media for lawyers. All right, email me, nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, or visit my website at myrlandmarketing.com. All right, take care. Until next time.